Excuse me, sir. The AC is blowing hot. They don't know if excessive heat causes this, but why would you want to take chances? The forecast today is 775-degree feel-like temperature with a chance for hail and brimstone showers in the afternoon. There's a reason they call it the dog days of summer. It's because there's way too much heat. Don't let the dog laugh at you because it's no fun being cooped up in a hot house all day. Stop hallucinating. The snow is not real. Feel like temperatures of 137? Hey, at least it's a wet heat. The first heat wave hits and you realize that your new haircut is no substitute for air conditioning. If I was selling hamburgers, you would expect to find a little bull in between a bun. No, the promised land is melting! Please don't lose your head this summer. Please make wise decisions, because this is the alternative. Oh, Charlie, it's just getting way too hot in here. Well, George, I told you not to eat the sunfish. When I tell you I offer air conditioning service today, this isn't what I mean. Save up to $500 off any furnace or air conditioning condensing unit. If you can get the cat to chip in, that's entirely up to you. Heat can sneak up on you. This is just me trying to warn you the best way I know how. Watching for me to show up is optional. I'll be there on time. I guarantee it. Summer is delicious. With the barbecues and the cookouts, the last thing you want to do is have to worry about your air conditioner. 98, 99, 100, ready or not, here I come. The heat wave is coming. Get ready. I tried to warn you. Don't be surprised if it happens to you. Austin Air Company is a Ray Austin HVAC service company. I service Katy, Cypress, Richmond, and some areas in between. Give us a call today at 832-475-6895. For additional information, videos, tips, and everything about air conditioning and heating, you can also visit me on my main website at www.austinairco.com. My name is Ray Austin with Austin Air Company. I hope you have an enjoyable summer, but more importantly, I hope it's comfortable. Thank you for watching.